In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a 3 size in Canva. If you are designing posters, flyers, or print materials, a 3 is a common paper size, and getting the dimensions right from the start saves you time and keeps your design crisp and professional. A 3 measures 29.7 by 42 centimeters, which is the same as 297 by 420 millimeters. Think of it this way. Portrait is taller than it is wide, and landscape is wider than it is tall. Let's begin with the most precise approach. Setting a custom size. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design. In the menu that opens, choose Custom Size. Here, switch the unit to centimeters or millimeters, whichever you prefer for print work. Enter 29.7 for the width and 42 for the height. If you want a portrait layout, if you need landscape, simply reverse those numbers so the width is larger than the height. Then create your design. Starting with a custom size is ideal when you already know exactly what you need and want full control over the orientation. If you prefer a faster, template-friendly route, you can use the built. Click Create a Design, then type a 3 in the search bar. You'll see options like a 3 document for portrait and a 3 landscape for, well, landscape. Pick the one that matches your project. This method is great because Canva will open a canvas at the correct size and immediately suggest templates that fit a 3, which can speed up your workflow. Now, if you already have a design and you are a Canva Pro user, you can resize it to a 3 without starting over. Open your design, then click the Resize button at the top of the editor. In the size fields, type 29.7 by 42 centimeters or search for a 3 and select it. Apply the change to update your existing canvas. After resizing, take a moment to scan your layout. Elements may shift slightly, so adjust spacing, alignment, and text sizes as needed. Make sure images remain sharp at the new dimensions and that backgrounds or colors extend to the edges for a clean finish. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.